The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. This is an urgent message for all of the Los Angeles area. Moments ago, NASA detected a 100-meter diameter meteor. This meteor is expected to impact the Los Angeles area within the next 30 minutes. All residents of Los Angeles and surrounding areas are advised to seek shelter immediately. Take many supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, telephone, and battery-power radio. There is no time to stay calm. Take cover immediately.
끝이다가 잠깐 뭐야? This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast systems shall transmit this broadcast. The stations has suspended regular programming at the request of the White House. This is NBC stopping board Dallas area. If you're on this area, you should turn to the station providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency audio system has been activated. At this moment, the President of the United States, Donald Trump, is unable to speak at this time, but I will speak instead of him. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is a national emergency. All regular broadcasts have been interrupted due to ongoing crisis, so please risk recovery. At this moment, the asteroid named Curzon is approaching to the Earth. This asteroid is going to impact within about 1 hour. NASA tried to destroy it, however, they failed. Also, this asteroid is expected to impact near of New York. When it impacts, mega earthquake magnitude 9 will occur, mega tsunami will occur, and the sun will be blocked for 1 year. Sorry about this, but there is nothing we can do to stop this event. If you are living eastern and middle of the United States, I urge to gather your family or loved ones. And if you are living western, seek shelter now. After this broadcast, the America is likely to be born. We are so sorry and thank you for your cooperation. Good luck and may God bless the America.
This is NBC News serving for Dallas, Texas area. Due to ongoing crisis, we are now closing. Thank you for standing with us and see you on the other side.
This is an emergency warning. The threat level is emergency, meaning an immediate action should be taken. This message is transmitted at the request of Australia government. All residents of Australia are urged to seek shelter now. The asteroid is expected to impact within 30 minutes. Take necessary supplies such as water, food, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, cell phone, and battery-powered radio. This is mass extinction event. That means you need to understand seriously. Take cover now.
현재 저희 MBC는 대한민국 정부에 따라 정규 방송을 중단했습니다. 곧 비상 방송이 송출될 예정이오니 잠시만 기다려 주시기 바랍니다. 본 방송은 대한민국 정부에 의해 방송됩니다. 현재 소행성이 접근 중인 상황으로 인해 정부는 국가 비상사태를 선포했습니다. 국민 여러분께서는 식량, 물, 구급약품, 배터리, 라디오, 휴대전화 등의 물품을 챙기신 다음 지하 대피소로 대피하시기 바랍니다.
BBC has interrupted regular programming to bring urgent messages. Please stand by. Do not ignore this message. This is an emergency broadcast from London. At this moment, national emergency and global emergency have been declared. At 9 AM Greenwich Mean Time, UK Space Agency has found an asteroid named Youcut. This asteroid's diameter is 5 kilometers, which can cause mass extinction events. In addition, this asteroid is going to impact within 20 minutes. All residents of the UK are urged to seek shelter immediately. Take many supplies such as water, clothing, food, battery-powered radio with extra batteries, telephone and some money. The King, Charles III, is moving to unlocked location. Do not go outside for over 2 weeks. God save the King.